I'm seeing. So as you can see, it is pitch black. The goal is to shoot the sunrise, so obviously I had to start in the darkness. It's gradually getting harder as I go up. I got my heart rate monitor on. Heart rate's definitely high. We're gonna hit the landing today. This is the super tight switchbacks. We are getting up through the canyon until the sun is coming up. The darkness is shedding. I can turn the headlamp off. Okay, so you just walk down that cliff right there, and then here's the part you always see. Here's the sketchy part. It's about a foot and a half wide. You can see from my step, it's not that wide. Let's hit it. Here comes that wind. Fucking badass California condor. Look at that shit, that's badass. All right, let's get to the top. You start to get the sunlight and it just changes colors. It's a good heart rate elevator. It's cold as shit. That last little part, it's as wild as you think it is. It's not scary, it's not dangerous, but it's intense, and I'm gonna get out of here because I'm literally, if you look, the only person here on one of the most popular hikes in the world. So get up early. I started before the sunrise and it was well worth it. The sun is just now cresting over the top of the hills, giving a complete different look, and I'm gonna get a fun ride on the way back down, but it was worth it. I've waited a lot of years to do this hike and worth every moment. So Angel's Landing in the books. Love it.